Every morning these kitties find a new interesting thing to do. This morning, it is this. He's been sleeping lately on the suitcases. Today it's this. What a nice place, Leisl. Did you find our seats from the car that we took out? So I could fit Shakespeare stuff in the back? Is it comfy cozy? Oh, it's so comfy cozy. Hey, what are we doing?
We're going through a car wash because our car is dirty.
Oh my god, it was the worst. So many bug guts.
They gave us an eco-friendly Gorilla Green car wash dashboard wipe.
Oh, we need that because our windows get so gross.
Yeah, there's that.
Woo! You're
Yay! Looking at the car wash.
Cleaning the car.
I'm pretty sure we filmed us in the car wash like 40 times.
Probably.
We're always in the car wash.
Because we think you're always in the car wash.
I am. I love clean cars.
I have gone through a car wash on my own one time.
One time.
And I think they're so funny.
Hey.
Ooh. Ooh, Sorrento.
Wow. This is amazing. I love the car wash.
We had so many bug guts on our windshield when we drove to Shakespeare, and we could not get them off.
So many bug guts.
To the car wash we came.
Well, I have herpes on my lip.
Let's start. Oh, you can still see it. It's pretty bad.
It's gross. It's a very efficient car wash.
Look at it. I think car washes are so funny.
This is saying our trunk's ajar.
Uh-oh. You didn't close it properly. Whoops. I didn't close it properly?
No, it was me because I went to the store. Our trunk's ajar.
Hopefully we're not getting water in there. Oh, here come the
fans. Wow. It's like a hurricane. No offense to all the victims of the hurricanes lately. Really sorry.
This is nothing like a hurricane. We understand. This is the closest we will ever get to a hurricane.
It is.
So, why are we actually out and about?
We are actually out and about because it is my sister's significant other's birthday today. So we're gonna go to a Kabuki steakhouse. Kabuki! But I have to go close my trunk right now.
So I spend the morning doing paperwork for costumes, just getting everything organized into spreadsheets, so that my brain is organized, so that next week I can start getting costumes together. But also I really need to make my Cinderella dress, this weekend and next week, so that it's ready for the carnival, because I have to get that done before I get Hamlet costumes done, but I have to be working on them all simultaneously, which, I mean, I just need to buckle down and work on my Cinderella dress when the girls go to bed, because it's really hard to sew when I'm the only person at home and I have babies.
True.
Because I only maybe get like an hour or two during the day, so I just need to do it after they go to bed. Because I don't think it'll take me very long, but I'm just waiting for the petticoat, which should be here Monday. But I really don't need it to start, so I'll probably start on that.
I'm going right here, so
I'll probably start on that this weekend. But yeah, and we went to rehearsal. I don't know that there's really anything else interesting we did today. He's not acting like he's a part of this conversation.
I'm so focused on driving.
That's great. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
Anything interesting happened at school today? You want to tell the money story?
Yes! The money story. So today at school, when I got there, my classroom and office were in shambles. Like, the teacher before me just didn't...
He got there at the beginning of the summer, not the beginning of the day today.
True. In the summer, my office is just like in shambles. But I arranged it the way that I wanted it. It's organized the way that I want it. But there are filing cabinets that were in there from before, where I've looked through them a little bit before, and there's stuff that is in there that my drama teacher like created and used. So I had like a little bit of time today during lunch. I was like, I really need to like start going through these and find out what I really want to keep and what I don't. Logan is the worst with traffic, just want to say that. Anyway,
Rivaling closely second with Orem's University Parkway at Christmas.
true. Anyway, I was going through a drawer, and all of a sudden there was like an envelope in there, and I like picked it up and I was like, wow, this feels like an envelope full of money. And I opened it, and sure enough, it was an envelope full of like $500. And I was like, what? So I panicked and I was like, I have to take this to the office. I have to take this to the office right now, because money has been an issue at the high school that I teach at. So I took it to the office and I was like, so here's the story. I was going through my filing cabinet, found this money, or this envelope full of money, and my financial secretary was like, well, I'll put it in your account. So
So that's extra money we have now that we didn't have before, which
Yeah.
is great. But at the same time, this is why their school doesn't trust drama teachers with money.
yeah, like who put like $500 in the filing cabinet and then just forgot about it? What? It was insane.
This is why people
So
get
then-
accused of embezzling money.
Then I
because
walked
it
away.
disappears.
Then I walked away and I was like, well, I'll let you know if I find any other bundles. And my financial secretary was like, great.
Who knows? We may end this year with thousands of dollars that have been stashed
That have
in
been stashed in filing cabinets.
filing cabinets. Who knows?
Who knows?
So that's the exciting
That's
story
my
of the
story.
day.
Sticking to it.
Like I said, I've just done paperwork all day. So now we're gonna go to dinner. And yeah. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Now it's recording.
Thank you.
You're the only one that got it.
Wonderful.
We've got a baby.
Nice and ready.
Oh, she didn't like the fire. She hates the heat.
Yes, like her dad.
Like me. Now this is real fried rice. Hello, Governor. We're watching Into the Woods.
Hello, Governor.
This- James Corden was on there, and his accent just reminds me of the "Hello, governor" accent. I don't know.
It makes me think of Easy A. She's like talking about the movie of the Scarlet Letter. And she's like, where everyone uses a fake British accent.
Yeah.
Hello, governor.
Hello, governor. Do I look exhausted? Because I feel
You
it.
do. You
Look
look
how
very
tired I
exhausted.
look. I'm gonna put this video on the internet for you guys, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. So, thanks for joining us today. Wasn't that so fun? Kabuki. It's amazing. That's the first. It's the first. Not kimchi. What am I? Hibachi restaurant that I've been to. It was fun. Enjoyed it. Food was good too. Steak was amazing. It
Yeah,
was
your
so
steak
tender
was really
and
good.
delicious.
I kinda wish I got steak.
Yeah, it was good. The chicken was okay,
The steak was better.
but the steak was better. Still have herp on my lip. Ooh, it's healing. All my students thought my nose was bleeding, and they were like, "Mr. Sorensen, Mr. Sorensen," and I was like, "No, it's cold sore." But thanks for looking out for me, all you students. Can't wait for the weekend. I'm so tired. Teaching is exhausting.
But he gets to be up bright and early for rehearsal tomorrow.
But I get to sleep in 2 hours later.
That's true.
So that's nice. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. Like, subscribe, and share. And as always, have courage.
And be kind.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.